Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about how to use iframe tags in web development. Basically, the iframe tags are used to insert one web page in another web page, means nesting two web pages. For this purpose we use iframe tags. So here I have written the code for one web page. So I am giving background color as black to this web page. Let's see the output. So here I am inserting another web page by using iframe tag. So here I am giving the link or the path of another web page. Okay, so for this web page I am giving the width of 300 px and height of 600 px. Okay, let's take 500 px, and I am giving background color. So for this I want to take style attribute background as white. So let's see the output. See here whatever the animation is going on, so that is in the another web page. See here, and whatever we have background color as black, that is another web page. So here two web pages are nested. So for this purpose we use iframes. Iframes are used to nesting two web pages. So that's all for today. So if you have any doubts, please comment it, and if you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.